students. So in this video, we are going to start with all the processes that are involved in reproduction. And the first process that we are going to talk about is the gametogenesis. So basically, the gametogenesis is the process of formation of gametes from पेरेंट्स. तो जो मेल्स होंगे और जो फीमेल्स होंगे वो गैमेट्स प्रोड्यूस करेंगे और इस प्रोसेस को हम गैमेटोजेनेसिस बोल देते हैं. अब एज वी ऑल नो दैट इन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन देयर आर टू पेरेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड, वन इज मेल एंड द अदर वन इज फीमेल. तो जो फीमेल है और जो मेल है वो अलग अलग गैमेट्स प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. तो जो गैमेटोजेनेसिस है वो भी दो टाइप का होगा. फर्स्ट वन विल बी स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस and the second one will be oogenesis. So in this video we are going to learn about spermatogenesis in a detail. So let's start. Spermatogenesis. स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस क्या होता है हम अब अपनी पुरानी वीडियोस में पढ़ चुके हैं ऑलरेडी कि स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्म्स इन द टेस्टिस. टेस्टिस के अंदर जो स्पर्म्स बनते हैं उसके फॉर्मेशन को, उस प्रोसेस को हम स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस बोल देते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ the process of spermatogenesis is completed in two phases basically. So there are basically two phases in which the spermatogenesis is going to be completed. First phase is the formation of spermatid. देखो स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस दो फेजेस में कंप्लीट होगा. फर्स्ट फेज है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्मेटिड एंड सेकेंड फेज इज spermiogenesis. Now let's discuss the first phase, formation of spermatid. So this first phase, formation of spermatid, is basically divided into three sub phases, which is multiplication phase, growth phase, and third one is maturation phase. So this is basically the summary that in all of these processes our sperms are going to be formed. Spermatogenesis has been done into two phases by formation of spermatid and spermiogenesis, and the formation of spermatid is further being done into the three sub phases, which is multiplication phase, growth phase, and maturation phase. There is one thing that need to be noted is जो स्पर्मेटिड से जो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्मेटिड है, जो स्पर्मेटिड बनेंगे इसके अंदर, दे आर सर्कुलर इन नेचर, दे आर सर्कुलर इन स्ट्रक्चर बेसिकली एंड डज नॉट लुक लाइक स्पर्मेटॉन. इस प्रोसेस के अंदर हमारे जो स्पर्मेटिड्स बनते हैं दे आर सर्कुलर इन नेचर एंड नॉट लाइक स्पर्म. सो द प्रोसेस इन विच द स्पर्मेटिड इज गोइंग टू चेंज इनटू स्पर्म is the spermiogenesis. So basically what spermiogenesis is? Spermiogenesis is the phase in which the spermatid is going to change into sperm. This process basically is being done in 74 days. The duration of spermiogenesis is 74 days. And also there is one more thing that needs to be noted is the process of spermatogenesis takes place in seminiferous tubules and under the influence of sex hormones, that is testosterone. ये जितना भी प्रोसेस होता है हमारा सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स के अंदर होता है मेल्स के अंदर, और जो हार्मोन्स इसके अंदर हेल्प करते हैं वो हार्मोन है टेस्टोस्टेरोन. तो हमने अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियोस में पढ़ा था कि ह्यूमंस के अंदर जो टेस्टिस होती हैं वे एब्डोमिनल कैविटी के अंदर ही डेवलप होती हैं, बट they descend in the 7th month of embryonic development in the scrotum. बाद में वो descend होती हैं in the scrotal cavity under the influence of follicular stimulating hormone. This is just the revision that I have given you to make spermatogenesis process a little bit easier. So let's discuss now spermatogenesis in a detail. So the process of spermatogenesis takes place in the seminiferous tubules which are lined up with the germinal epithelium. So let's draw the germinal epithelium here. This is basically the germinal epithelium. Going to draw the germinal epithelium here. So this is the germinal epithelium and these are the germ cells. Let me just label that part here. Germinal epithelium, and these are the germ cells. Now I'm going to take one of those germ cells to make our process a little bit simpler, but this process occurs in every germ cell. So I'm going to take this germ cell here. All of the germ cells are diploid. So this is the germ cell that I'm going to take here, and this is diploid in nature. It means it has 46 chromosomes or a pair of 23 chromosomes, whatever you say. So it has 2 into number of chromosomes here. It is diploid in nature. Now this germ cell is going to divide into 2 daughter cell by mitotic division. So here are these 2 daughter cells, and how they are converted, they are being divided through mitotic division. These 2 daughter cells are also diploid in nature. So this is basically the multiplication phase. This is what? Multiplication phase. Now these 2 daughter cells are further going to divide into another 2 daughter cells like this. And these 2 daughter cells are also diploid in nature. इन डॉटर सेल्स को हम बोलते हैं spermatogonia. These daughter cells are known as spermatogonia, and ये जो डॉटर सेल्स हमारे बने हैं थ्रू माइटोटिक डिवीजन एंड इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज, these spermatogonia basically are of 2 types. First one is type A spermatogonia. So let's consider these 2 spermatogonia are of type A, and these 2 spermatogonia are of type B. So this is type A spermatogonia, and this is type B spermatogonia. Now, what are the differences between them? First, spermatogonia, type A spermatogonia acts as stem cells. So, ये type A spermatogonia is going to act as sperm cells, and this basically what stem cells means is कि ये माइटोटिकली डिवाइड होते जाएंगे, ये और स्पर्मेटोगोनिया बनाते जाएंगे जैसे कि यहाँ पर ये बन रहे हैं. बाकी टाइप 2 स्पर्मेटोगोनिया इज गोइंग फर्दर डिविजन्स. ये जो टाइप 2 स्पर्मेटोगोनिया इसके अंदर और भी ज्यादा डिविजन्स होंगी और ये फाइनली जाके हमारा स्पर्मेटिड्स बनाएंगे. सो दीज 2 टाइप B spermatogonia is further going to have division like this. I'm going to take only one of these spermatogonia to make this a little bit simpler. So here it is, and this grows in size. Now In this phase is known as growth phase, and in growth phase, this grows in size. Spermatogonia grows in size. And why this grows in size? Because in this phase they accumulate food materials and nutrients. ये सारे इस phase के अंदर इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं अपने अंदर, इस वजह से ये size में increase हो जाते हैं. Here the spermatogonia is diploid also. यहाँ पर भी जो spermatogonia है वो हमारा diploid है. And इस stage पे जब ये grow हो गया, we are not going to call it as spermatogonia. We are going to call it primary spermatocyte. इस स्टेज पे हम इसे प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट बोलेंगे. And now after this grows in size, further divisions are going to happen, and this cell is going to be divided into two daughter cells. And these two daughter cells are haploid in nature. They have 23 chromosomes. So in this phase, how this is going to be converted from diploid to haploid? Through meiosis 1. So this is basically is been done through meiosis, and this process is known as meiosis 1. So basically this is a reductional division in which 2n has been reduced to n number of chromosomes. So this is reductional division. Now at this stage, these two are known as secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes. Now they are further going to be divided. So when they are further going to be divided, then they are going to be like this. They still have n number of chromosomes in themselves, and this process, when they further are divided, then this process is being done by meiosis 2. Now at this stage they are called as spermatids, and this whole process is known as formation of spermatids. Now these spermatids are going to be converted into the flagellated motile structure, which are known as sperms. I'm going to show this structure here. So they are going to be further converted into this flagellated motile structure, and this whole process is known as spermiogenesis. So I'm going to revise that whole again. First, the spermatogenesis is going to happen in the germinal epithelium, in the germ cells, and then the germ cells are going to divide into two daughter cells by mitotic division, and these two daughter cells are diploid in nature. Then they further divide into two more daughter cells, and they are also diploid in nature. At this stage they are known as spermatogonia, and this whole phase is known as multiplication phase. Now the developed spermatogonia is of two types: type A spermatogonia, type B spermatogonia. Type A spermatogonia is going to act as stem cells, and they further going to be mitotically divide to produce more spermatogonia. वो और ज़्यादा spermatogonia बनाते जाएंगे. And the other ones, which is type 2 spermatogonia, are going to divide more and more to form spermatids finally. So how they are going to form spermatids? Type B spermatogonia is going to further make spermatids by meiosis 1. So at this stage it grows in size, and that in this phase we known as growth phase. It is known as growth phase. तो जब spermatogonia grow हो जाएगा size में, तो उस stage पे हम उसे primary spermatocyte बोलेंगे. अब ये प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स फिर से डिवाइड होगा बाय meiosis 1, and that stage यहां पर ये हैप्लॉइड हो जाएंगे नेचर के अंदर, मींस दे हैव 23 chromosomes in them. So at this stage we are known as secondary spermatocytes. Then secondary spermatocytes are further going to divide through meiosis II, and finally they are going to be called as spermatids. Spermatids are haploid in nature, and after that spermatids are going to be converted into sperms by the process of spermiogenesis. After the sperms are matured, after the sperms has been created, they are going to be released into Sertoli cells. Basically, Sertoli cells are going to store them for a while. So this process is known as spermiation. These cells are going to be in the Sertoli cells. Basically, this is the Sertoli cell here, and they are going to be stored here. This whole process is known as spermiation. So basically, in all of this, there are three terms that are important. Those three terms are spermatogenesis, which is the formation of sperms in testes; spermiogenesis, which is the process in which spermatid is changed into the motile sperm; and the last one is spermiation, and which is the process of release of mature sperms from Sertoli cells. सो इसके अंदर हमारा जो स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस है वो कंप्लीट होता है. इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू have a detailed study of human sperm, and then after that we are going to come on oogenesis. If you find our videos helpful, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.